how to buy Bio Protocol token on MEXC. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description and get free money, rewards and crypto with the bit referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, go and find this token on CoinMarketCap. It's available there. After that, what you need to do, click on markets here, and as you can see, we have MEXC here. Now click on this link next to it, the pair. After that, you click on it. Now they will redirect you to this page. Now make sure to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create an account. Go just in the description below and you will find the referral code. Just go and create one on that link if you want, of course. Now that, fund your account after you create it with USDT to be able to buy this token on it. Now after that, after you create an account and fund it of USDT, you will see this page here. To be able to buy this token, you have two options: the limit and the market. In the limit, just type here how much you want to buy. Because I don't have any fund, I can see how much here to how much of that I will buy. Now for you, just type how much you want to buy. You will see here the equivalent of that amount here in USDT that you will pay. Now after that, click on buy and you will buy this token in the market. Just drag this to set how much of percentage of USDT that you have on account that you will buy with it. Now after that, click on buy you and you will buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy Protocol token on MEXC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.